Being broke uni student make me rethink of my life choice. Once I wonder if I can just sell AI generated art, but it just sounds ridiculous. So I have an idea. What about letting AI teach me how to draw instead? So here I am. I let AI teach me how to draw. So here's the thing. First, I'm going to ask Copilot for the tutorial, doing it step by step, while in every step, I'm gonna ask Copilot to rate my progress. If you guys ask, why Copilot? It's the most accessible to me. I mean, it's literally sitting there on my browser. To shorten time, here's my first message, or from perhaps the creativity based thing is so maybe the Copilot can be more creative with the answer later. Here's the answer. Feel free to pause to see. Basically, there's 5 steps that Copilot gets from whatever website it is. Let's get to the first step, shall we? Brainstorming. I already know what I want to draw, so this gonna be fast. And here. Nice. I'm gonna draw a side bogger. Let's see what Copilot think of my idea. It's basically revision. Skip. Referencing. It's gonna be fast. This one is good. Oh, hi Jack. Let's share it with Copilot and see what they're gonna say. Okay, not gonna lie, that scrolling text is actually annoying. I promise that's gonna be the last one. Anyway, I see this as an approval, so we can go to the next step. Now we sketch. That's the basic of drawing. FYI, for the rest of the drawing part, I'm gonna be using Microsoft Paint. Why? Cause I love paint. Anyway, it said to use any shape for the basic structure of my character, and Paint got it all except 360-degree rotation. And after finishing setting up my reference, I start to sketch the drawing.
Sorry, I just realized that my drawing is so bad that it makes me speechless.
Again, I let Copilot rate my progress. And here's what they say. I must say, it's quite positive. Even they answer my nonsense. So let's go to the next step. Refining. Can give more explanation than turning your rogue sketch into sketch V2. At this point, I don't really follow the instruction and just go to the basic coloring. I forgot that at the brainstorming idea, I write a white-haired cyborg, but I just change it to green because I'm not drawing a cyborg, but a cyborger. So just go with the flow. I keep coloring other part until everything is done. And then I send the result to Copilot. You know what? Copilot answer is always so positive. It starts to make me bashful. Perhaps Copilot likes me. The last step, detailing. There's not much I can do here besides thickening the line and add a bunch of not really gradation color. I mean, as much as I like Microsoft Paint, it's still Microsoft Paint. One thing I forgot here is adding the background. I could make the gradation for the background though at the very least. Wanna see? It's so simple. Make a diagonal line, drop the bucket on the upper side as the top gradation, drop the lower two, change the width or length to 1 depending on which side you want the gradation, revert the change. Voila! You got gradation on Microsoft Paint. Anyway, the last step is to let Copilot read my finished drawing. I mean, I already know the result, but let's see together. Without seeing the rest of the text, I can say this is a great response. With this, I finally can graduate from Academy Art Teaching. Okay, this conclude the bizarre AI teaching me how to draw adventure. If you watch till the end, thank you very much.